Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. Today I'm doing something a little bit different, and it's kind of a funnel pour, but it's actually a pastry batter dispenser. It's kind of a releasable funnel. You can fill it up and then release the hole at the bottom. I am starting off with a base coat of white, and I do have a 12 by 12 inch canvas on a cake spinner here. I have it held onto the cake spinner with some double-sided sticky tape. So I'm going to fill up this funnel, and the colors will stay in here until I release that little kind of lever in there. I'm using a little bit of a different color scheme than normal here, including some peachy coral for Sharon, who's been repeatedly asking for it. So we've got white, we've got sapphire blue, copper, the peachy coral, some deep sea, and then I'm basically just going to layer these colors as much as I feel like is necessary. It's kind of hard to tell how much you need to put in here, but I think this should be enough. Now, once you're ready, go ahead and release the funnel basically. And for this, I have it suspended over the canvas. I'm just releasing that painting and spinning simultaneously. I didn't really know how this was going to come out, just wanted to try it out and see what would happen. Have fun with this kind of funnel thing here. And these colors, I think, go very, very well together. Definitely an interesting pattern. Once I released all the paint on here, I went ahead and spun it out to see what kind of awesomeness we could get out of this technique. So similar to a funnel pour, and gave me kind of this spiral look because I spun it as I released the paint. I definitely think there's more that can be done with this funnel kind of thing. And if anyone has any suggestions for any kind of techniques they would like me to try, just let me know and I'll definitely give it a go. This paint that is splattered on the paper underneath, it's not really enough to do a whole other project with it, but what you can do is you can either dip other canvases or things into it, or you can let it dry and make some cool projects out of that, such as jewelry or bookmarks and anything else that you might want to make. Now on this one, there were a lot of air bubbles, so I decided to torch it, and that did pop up some little kind of micro bubbles and pinholes, which just gave it a little bit something extra. So there you guys go. Kind of a different take on the funnel pour. Let me know if you guys have tried this. I thought it was a lot of fun, and we'll definitely be doing some more of these. Hopefully you guys like this color combination. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.